Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 6th of January 2025. So, first of all the very best for this next year. It's going to be a crazy year, that's for sure. We're about 14 days from Trump taking full control of the US. His inauguration is on the 20th of January. So, yeah, it's going to be an interesting one for sure. Hope you all had a good break. I certainly did. It's strange this morning sitting here ready to kick off and back into the routine. So let's catch up and have a look at what the markets did during the break. Not an awful lot, spoiler alert there. But it all kicks off from today. So from Friday's headline, stocks break losing streak, but Santa rally slumps, Bitcoin and black gold jump over the holidays. So bonds and a dollar sold, and stocks end the first week of 2025 firmer, which was just a couple of days. Economic news we've got today. Let's have a look. Final services PMI, that's out. There is some German CPI if you trade the DAX, that's out today as well, but that can come out at any time during the day. It's an odd one with that economic news item because there's not a set time for the German CPI numbers. Through the week, though, we noticed straight off that we've got the ISM PMI and, more importantly, JOLTS. We've got ADP as well, and the ADP, of course, is a precursor to that one that comes out on the Friday. If I can just find it down here, we've got the non-farm payrolls this week as well. Previous was 227. And this week or this month is forecast at 154,000. So that's later on in the week. The market's going to be keen to have a look at that. It'll also take notice of some FOMC meeting minutes as well on Wednesday night. So don't expect an awful lot today when the market opens, because generally the first day back when everybody's back is settling in is normally the case. Okay, let's move on, have a look at the markets and kick off with the Dow. So in the Dow, it's been sideways, and that's more or less the same picture for all of these markets as they traded through the last couple of weeks. Some interesting patterns though. If we have a look from this low over on the left up to the high, you'll see the market trading down to there. We've got an 89% retracement. That's from there up to there and projected back. So the market certainly found an 89% in the bigger picture. And also, if we go from this low here up to here, you will see that we came back to 89% there as well during the last few days as well. So I'll just remove those numbers there down to 78. So you can see I've just removed the 89 remains there. So yeah, you can see there 89. As we see also quite a bit of volume there for last week as well in the Dow. 30-minute chart shows Friday's activity. You can see the test in there from Thursday as the market moved lower, and then on Friday the market was up there. At the moment it's above the DP and the 200 MA there as well, trying to move higher. In the German DAX, also this market pulling back 89% retracement, as can be seen there. And also prices are starting to make a move to the upside as well. So let's just draw in an upside target from the high to this current low. And there are some target prices for you on the upside already through 38, so 50's next. It's got the 20 MA in between there, 62% retracement, followed by the 78 and 89, and then back to the high, which is the all-time high for this one, if I am not mistaken, sitting in the 20,500 area there. So the market currently below 20,000 as well as I actually record this. So let's save this for future reference, but that's where the market's pulled back for so far on the Dow in the bigger picture. And there you can see prices already starting to move up in the overnight there. So don't be surprised if the markets do move back to the upside today. In the S&P 500, again, the patterns just jump out at you when you actually look at this. Let's just grab this and just draw it in from the low there to the high. So we've gone from here to here, and you'll see the market coming back to 78.89 there for this market as well during the last couple of weeks. So again, it's sort of made that retracement. There's another retracement from here as well. We've got a bigger one, go from this low up to here, and you'll see the market coming back to 78% retracement there as well. So retracements within retracements. 30-minute chart from Friday, you can see there the market also retesting at the DP and then moving up, and now trying to get to Friday's high there. In the FT100, the market has pulled back as well, pulled back a lot more. This is a very strange market at the moment. I mean, whether Starmer's there by the end of the year, who knows? By the end of the week would be a good idea to get rid of him personally. But, well, that's wishful thinking on my part. And the market retraced obviously 100% there, and now moving to the upside there, so it could find a bit of resistance at 78.89 there as well. Overnight price is starting to move up off Friday's low there. You can see that as prices are consolidated overnight and then just starting to break out there. So in the US dollar, it's made a big move since October, trading all the way down to just below 100 and now up to 108.63. So this market due a bit of a correction. You can see prices there pulling back on Friday as the headlines showed there, and overnight a bit of weakness there as well. Let's have a look at the metals, and you can see in the silver market this was battered down once more during last week with the thin trading. It's also been battered down overnight as well, as you can see, down to Friday's low, but there's some buying that's come into the market just to support it. No surprise, they're going to keep trying doing this this year. Not expecting a great deal from the metals this year because Trump is a crypto man, and it's all going to be focused around that arena, and silver and gold are going to be held lower unless something major on a geopolitical basis. But again, you can see in gold from the all-time high up here at 2790 to where we're currently trading. It's stuck in a sideways move now and a range, and I expect that to stay like that for the next few months. And there you can see again also slammed down overnight down to the 200 MA, increase in volume, but just trying to hold Friday's low there for this market too. Right, let's have a quick look at the gold silver ratio. So in the gold silver ratio there, you can see that this is a weekly chart. We've traded up to the levels that we saw in March of last year, and this was done quite easily during the festive season because obviously not many traders around. And there you can see the last couple of days they've allowed silver to move up against gold and down on the gold silver ratio, but we're trading up to that 91 area. As I spoke about 90 for the last few months of last year, that 90 was on the cards, and 90 certainly was hit there. So there we go. Quick look overnight and see what the DAX is doing. So at the moment we've been allowed to move up. We just compress the chart a bit and have a look, see where we are. We're not too far off the high, so it won't take a lot to get the market through that level, which is 20,031. The red line there is the 20,000 target. They'll want the market back above this, and I have no doubts that they'll succeed in doing this when we kick off at either 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. when the cash market opens there. Okay, that's a quick roundup of where we are, where we've been, and where we're likely to go during today. Like I say, settle in for a wild year in the markets. It goes without saying, really, doesn't it, with Trump coming in. So with that, have a great day, and as ever, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.